Then why Christ told the rich man, go home and give away all your possessions. Carry with you only your bed. Here's the story of you make it through the hail of fire. You're getting a Job check. That's because God given up that. It's the loving personal possessions that really screw and not being able to live without hope or go mentally insane because they don't have work and can't. My generation is they got so used to the push. My generation, talking about my generation. I bought rope.